As you're looking at the walls too, just look at the outlets. Make sure that no covers are missing.
Okay.
Sometimes they're broken,
Right.
so I just want them replaced.
Okay.
Those are
That's
cheap,
easy.
cheap, easy.
Yep.
Again, same thing. We have to have 2 egresses, so you would check this window, make sure it opens. Does the blind work? It does. I've walked some properties where these blinds are too short.
Right.
Like this is all the way down and it only goes up to like here.
Right.
That's not
Yeah.
right. And so I want the proper length blind,
Full length.
full length blind.
Yep. Okay.
And then we'll go into the bathroom. Again, do all the lights work? Does the vent work if it has a vent? Not all of them have vents.
Right. If it has it, it should work.
It should work. Sometimes the vents are noisy.
Right.
You can honestly just clean them up and lube them, and it usually fixes it.
Okay.
You just have to spend a little bit of time, pick it apart,
Yeah.
clean it, lube it, and it's fine.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
How sink work, any leaks, you may check to see if it gets hot. Do the drawers open and shut? Everything should be clean. Nothing left behind. Doesn't have a towel bar. A lot of properties, I don't know why, also they just miss like a towel ring, towel bar, toilet paper holder.
Okay.
Those are common things, and, and they're cheap enough that you can buy a pack of them and install them in a property, and now you have a place to put a hand towel, or towel, and toilet paper. Toilets, I walk up to it and I push on it with my leg.
Okay.
Not real hard, just to see if it wobbles. Okay, you want it secure.
Yep.
Also check the toilet seat. Is it loose? How is the toilet seat? Is it all damaged, discolored? Toilet seats are cheap, easy replacement. This one's in good shape. Also doesn't work. It does, okay? And so just checking stuff like that.
Yeah.
Same thing with the shower. Shower heads, I do like to replace a lot because they're cheap.
Right.
This one has this funky filter on it.
Okay.
So I prefer just a normal shower head. This one probably works just fine, but you can always test it too.
Yep.
That sucks.
Yes, it does.
So I would replace the
Please.
shower head.
Okay.
That is terrible.
Yeah.
No tenant is gonna like that.
No.
Okay?
Shoot, I don't like ours at home too.
And so I would definitely be replacing the shower head just because that was terrible.
Right.
Also, another thing, I'm gonna step here in the tub real quick. These tub drains,
Yep.
they're always missing.
Yep.
I don't know why, where they go. Install a tub drain, make sure it works, so that if they have kids and they have to give them like a bath, they can actually close it and take a bath.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
I don't like those rubber ones. I like the actual
Okay.
tub drain the way it's supposed to be.
Right.
It feels more complete.
Yes.
These are cheap.
Okay. Yep.